Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
पण this season should not go waste. At least we should get 4-5 months of next January महिन्यात तरी आम्ही स्टार्ट करता आणि कितें कार्गो at least that will help us to survive for this season. Otherwise by September we'll be completing 10 years. No, very difficult to survive. पण ऑप्शन करता म्हणल्यार at least एक महिना म्हाका दिसना गव्हर्मेंटाचें कितें एक म्हयन्यान कितें जाता म्हणून. So we are doubtful about it. Let them do the analysis. Let them take the this thing. And now that they have made a statement, he'll also come to know from Claude Alvarez whether he's filing a petition. He'll surely file a petition. Moment what you call government comes with the order. आता आमचे लोक इतले त्रासान पडल्या की we thought that we have relied on the government and we were thinking that Bajis will start operation because the government had told us that mining will start or something will happen like. Now people have put in 50 lakhs, 1 crore by borrowing money from market because bank is not giving us loans. So our members have borrowed money from the market, from the creators, suppliers. त्यांचे क्रेडिट घेऊन आम्ही बाज रिपीट आणि आता लोकांचे 10 रुपये बसून जावना फ्रॉम सप्टेंबर 15 सप्टेंबर सीजन स्टार्ट जावपा जाय आशिल्लो. टुडे वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड 3.5 months now, 15 September to now. Some people have not even made 10 trips. So I don't know how we are going to sustain this. आता थोडे बाजेचा अजून रिपेअर करपाक पैसे ना. ॲटलीस्ट 10-12 बाजे रिपेअर करपाकूय पैसे ना लोकांकडे. So government first has to see that the balance budget should be given funding to start. आता हें जर जायना न्ही आनी फाल्यां जर परमिशन मेळ्ळें कितें ऑप्शन करून तो मेरेन भाजीच आसपाना. These budgets will get deteriorated. They will get deteriorated. They will get scrapped. So it will be very difficult. The government has to think this about very